Today is a day that I'm going to change my eSpring filter because it's now finished. As you can see, there's the red light up here and the blue is flickering. So what it means is the eSpring filter is finished. I bought the new one, which is this one. It's still in the box, and I will change the filter, and again I'll start to have clean water. By the way, the eSpring itself, it has got a filter that cleans water 99.99%. It filters all the dirt from the main suppliers of water, and all the pesticides, the chlorine. The eSpring cleans all that away. So it's like having a well in your house. I've enjoyed drinking clean water since 4 years now. I don't drink any water from the plastic bottles. Neither do I drink the water which is supplied from the main tap. But the eSpring, it filters all the chlorine, all the pesticides, or everything that goes in there. We know our water is not very clean, as they say it every time. So I've got my well in the house, which is the eSpring water filter system. Follow me if you have to ask how I got this thing in the house. It's easily fitted in the house. You don't even need to have a plumber or whatever. You can do it on your own. It's easy. You can follow it from the YouTube. It shows you how to really connect it to the main tap, and then all of a sudden the water starts coming out 99.99%. So today I'll change this filter and I'll show you as I go through it changing, and you can see it's red there. That's my water. That's my eSpring filter. It's really red. That means it's finished. So follow me on my channel, and if you've got any questions, ask how to get your own filter and fitted in your own house. Thank you. This is Kate.